Hey guys, Jenny PRD, registered dietitian and nutrition expert. My diet and disease prevention series continues with bone health, and I have a few more dietary tips for you. And this video is all about the importance of protein intake and bone health. So, protein is critical to help with our bones, go figure, but too much or too little protein can actually lead to bone loss or reduced bone health. So what are some food sources of protein? They are going to be animal sources. These are high quality proteins, meaning they are all the essential amino acids. So pork, fish, chicken, eggs, beef, dairy such as Greek yogurt, milk, cheese, cottage cheese, things like that. Good sources, excellent sources of protein for you. Vegetarians, you can also reach your optimum levels of protein intakes as long as there's careful planning, right? Tofu, soy milk, soy yogurt, beans, legumes, lentils, nuts, and seeds, all sources of protein. So that leads me to how much protein. Ideally, our diet is 10 to 35% protein. Older adults, 65 or older, you want to aim for at least 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram. So somebody who weighs 125 pounds, you want to aim for 70 grams of protein per day. If you weigh 150 pounds, you want to aim for you're going to look for 80 grams of protein per day. 175 pounds, you're looking at 90 grams of protein per day, and 200 pounds, 110 grams of protein per day. So those are pretty high numbers. So just again, make sure you are including those sources that I mentioned at all of your meals and snacks so you can reach those optimum protein levels for bone health. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Quick shout out to my Fat to Fit weight loss group on Facebook. Say hi, give me a thumbs up, and comment below any other nutrition topics you want to learn about. Stay tuned for more videos.